Hey guys, this is Shravan. I am here to show how the default tables that comes with Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition are imported to the Express Edition of Oracle 10G database. Now let's start with the session. Firstly, open the SQL command line and connect with the user you created previously. As you are seeing, my existing database contains only one table. It is student table. To add the remaining tables into the database, we need a file which I have provided in the description. You can see now. We need to copy the file location where the file is located. As it is a desktop, I am going to the user to see my location where the database table is present. Copy the link from the address tab. Open the command line, paste the link which you have copied from the address bar /filename.sql. Before hitting enter, you can check the details. Now, all the demonstrate tables that are nothing but default tables are created into your database, which we can see by hitting select command. Now we can see all the 10 tables which are used to perform default operations are listed in the select command. Now we can open any file to see the data which is present in our database table. It is I am showing here is emp file. You can also see the department table which as you can see, all the default database tables in the Scott user are imported to the current user. Thank you for watching my video.